Hey everyone, so before this video gets started, we have a partnership with Webull where when you use our link and deposit at least 1 cent, they're gonna send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. I use Webull right here. It's a stock trading app and I use it to buy and sell stocks and crypto. It's a really awesome app. It's called Webull. We have a link below. It's a legit partnership where literally all you have to do is make a deposit of at least 1 cent and they're gonna send you 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. So use our link below for Webull and let's get started with the video. Let's get started with the first topic, which is the title of the video. There is an Uber and Lyft strike taking place, and the Rideshare Professor, he is kind of leading he is leading this charge, and it's for gig workers from November 23rd through 26th, and he's calling for more pay and better safety for drivers and riders. And he asked myself and a bunch of other YouTubers to make a video about this. So we wanted to get his voice out there and actually, come together as a community to do this. So let's watch this video together.
And that is why are you running the channel? You obviously, as a driver or food delivery driver, and if it's 95% of the people doing the work striking, standing up, right? Why are we doing this? To benefit you 5%, that you can go out there and still capitalize on the day? No, you're not part of my channel if your attitude is, oh, if the companies, if the drivers let them go and work on those days, I'm going to go and make money, right? Doesn't show true character. Work together, it's going to hurt them big times, in the millions, right? In the billions, that's correct.
So guys, right here in the description, I'm going to go to his channel, the Rideshare Professor, and go watch his video, and let's come together, right? What do you think about this, Izzy?
Yeah, so I don't understand.
So this is basically if you're a gig worker, you can join in on this if you drive for Uber, Lyft, Uber Eats, DoorDash, Amazon Flex, Grubhub, Shipt, Postmates, and Instacart. And he's actually going to be sending out press release flyers and trying to actually get this to the mainstream media so that way, I don't know if you remembered, but we did a video on this pretty recently where Uber actually raised the commission rate in Kenya after a driver protest. Do you remember that?
Yeah, I remember that.
Yeah, let me try to pull this up really quick if I can. Let's see here. Is this on the screen? Yeah. So as you can see here, Uber Kenya agreed to drop commission rate after drivers protested in Nairobi. So Uber Kenya dropped its commission rate. Yeah. They accused government of failing to implement a commission cap of 18% on fares. So actually, my friends, there is proof that protests do work, and at least it can get the voice out there. There's a GoFundMe link too, just to help with press releases and stuff. But yeah, I think at least it's a good way to get the driver voice out there for better pay and better safety, because we've also talked about safety here on the channel a lot, and it's a really big issue. And remember we talked about the live streaming thing too, with videos, how that might be a problem.
Yeah.
So we wanted to just make this video, make this shout out to Rideshare Professor and to all of you guys. If you want to join this, you totally can. So, yeah. So anyways, you can join it if you'd like. November 23rd through November 26th. Thanks so much for watching today's video. And again, when you use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, they're going to send you up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Webull is an awesome stock trading app that I personally use to buy and sell stocks. So use our link below to sign up for Webull and deposit at least 1 cent, and they're going to send you all the way up to 12 free stocks valued all the way up to $30,600. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.